guys, it's Unicorn here. Today I have another Frozen spin surprise here. As you know, I got Elsa, the one I really wanted, the purple one. I hope I get an Anna or the other Elsa would be amazing. I want the Anna with the Olaf, so hopefully we get a different one besides this one, so let's take a look. If you remember, these are very easy to open. You just open it on this side. Here we go, it's another blue capsule. So there's only 4 of them, so I really hope it's not a dupe. I could get that Elsa, that Anna. I like that Anna with the Olaf, the green. So like if it's my choice, I actually would want that one next because I think that's really pretty. But we'll see because this is another blue one. I don't know, maybe they're all blue. So there we go. I did it with the scissors and let's see which one we got. Oh my God. Oh guys, cute, it's Anna. So now I have Elsa and Anna in purple. And I got this snowman Olaf. Isn't that cute? It's perfect. Now I got Elsa and Anna because I didn't want any duplicates. Oh, look how cute. Awesome, amazing. I'm so happy. So I do have this and I do have Anna's house as well. So that's cool because these can actually go with them. So now we have this one and this one, the 2 in the middle. I don't have that. That's an interesting background. But that one with Anna, with that dress has Olaf too. But I like it that we have both of them now and you can stack them. So we'll hold on to this because you'll see. Thanks for watching Unicorn Magic.